Now catching feelings, baby.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jasmine. As you guys can tell by the title, today we're going to be applying these press-on nails with Gel X glue. So for my equipment, I have my trusty dusty nail clippers. I also have this Gel X glue that I got from Temu. I also got this Kiss nail glue just in case it fails. I also have this Kiss top coat, and I have this Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. I think I got this from Temu as well. But yeah, so cute, y'all. Alright, so first what we're going to do is going to go ahead and clip these nails down. Want to make them even as possible so that nothing shows underneath the press-on nails. That is like a pet peeve of mine. And let me just go ahead and apologize for my hair being in the way. So yeah. But we're just going to go ahead and finish cutting them down. Okay, so now that I'm finally cutting them down, I'm going to go ahead and use my file and go ahead and shape them and buff them out. Alright, so now that I'm done buffing and shaping, I'm going to go ahead and use my alcohol to get all the oil and dust off my nails. Alright, so we get into the fun part. So, I've never used Gel X, nothing. I don't know what brand or, I don't know how fast it's supposed to work, none of that. But, hey, we're going to try it today. So, I'm taking a good little bit of it and gonna shape it to my nail. I've already matched everything to my nails, so yeah. So I'm gonna try to put it on my nail, and when I put it on there, you know how nail glue, you think it's supposed to be like tacky right when you apply it. This was like, I don't know, it just wasn't trying to stick at all. And maybe it's because I ain't got no patience. But I tried to let that thing sit under there for like a minute and some, and it still wouldn't dry. Like, I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna go ahead and label this fail. Because, yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. Still don't. But yeah. And y'all see the struggle I'm trying to go through. Like, it just wasn't trying to hold at all. Like, I really wanted this to work because I be wanting to wear nails, and I don't be liking to get my nails done like that. But that one, I just don't recommend. So, you see Temu or anybody of them sell that stuff on there, don't buy it. Some people said it was good. Like I said, it'll work. Maybe it'll work if I try it again. But for right now, it ain't it. So yeah, but I done tried this lamp a few times, as you guys can see, and it just wasn't trying to budge. But it's cool, I ain't even mad at it. So I just went ahead and used the Kiss nail glue because that Temu Gel X glue was not doing it. So I just went ahead and applied the rest of my press-on nails with the Kiss nail glue. now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my press-on nails to my thumbs. I like to wait to the end to do that just so I don't get in the way. Like, it'd be harder to pick everything up once I do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply those, and after that I'm going to even the tips out so they all can look even, and then I'm gonna finish off with the Kiss top coat. Alright, so all my press-ons are applied, and now I'm going to go ahead and use my file and shape them. Alright, so I have filed them down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my vitamin E oil and spread that in my cuticles. I don't know why I did this first instead of doing the top coat, but hey, that's the way I did it. But yeah, so I usually do that after the top coat, but I don't know why I did it before. I think I was just over it already, because I already knew I wasn't gonna keep these on. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my top coat and apply it to all my press-on nails so they can look shiny. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, and we out. Peace.